Just picked up this little coffee table off Facebook Marketplace. We've been using our old camping table, which is a bit rickety. Just got this table free from Marketplace, thank you very much. And going to give it a quick sand and put it in place. One little coffee table, very quick refurbishment. Bit of T-coil on the top. Yeah, quick job, ready for use. Just had a meeting with Jeff Goldblum, who brought Sam O'Neill with him as well. I called him about the dinosaur problem we had, and he's just put some bait down and he's managed to entice 2 dinosaurs and a big beetle. He's very good. He also summons the Kraken. Be careful. The Kraken has come.
You bitch. Badger's been busy this morning. He's been clearing the channel which joins into that one that runs up and along the back fence of the property. There he is. We've dug out some of the channel by hand and it's immensely reduced. If I come back round this way, immensely reduced the water flow coming through there and going down there into the back, down the side of the house. Job well done. While Badger's working away, I'm going to just pan you round. Now I'm level. I'm going to pan up. And that's actually quite a steep hill up there. As you can see, it's very widely overgrown. Numerous ash trees. I mainly see ash. Not sure of the others. A few birch, but it's not very well kept. And I can understand that it's on quite a steep slope, but it has been causing issues with our property. Obviously you can see there's a fallen tree on one of our trees in our garden, and if I can take you to it without falling ass over tit, just down there there's a couple of large trees that have gone over our boundary because they've fallen. So the woodland management here by the landowner isn't the best, and we really need to find out who it is and to see if they are responsible for it or not. I presume that they are, or whether it's Breconbeacons, National Park Service, being as we are within the boundary of the National Breconbeacons National Park. Can we see a badger? There he is, in the wild. Adding to that though, what I will say is, if we're not allowed to be on this land all we're doing is trying to protect our property, because we can't get any information from the landowner as yet.
In a few weeks' time we've got a lovely tree surgeon friend coming down from Worcestershire. Do a bit of prep work for him, skin up a few of these branches, do a bit of a tidy up so we've got access to that tree. And then I want to go into the wood and just cut down a few of these overhanging broken ones. They're interfering with the property. So